Hey there! Welcome to today's Sheet Leveler tutorial. Have you ever wished Excel could read your mind and fill in your data automatically? Well, Flash Fill comes pretty close. It's an incredible tool that recognizes patterns in your data and completes the rest for you. No more tedious manual entries or complex formulas. Flash Fill has got you covered. Let's explore how to use this nifty feature and how it can save you heaps of time. Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm so excited to have you here at Sheet Leveler. Our mission is to make Excel not just easy, but enjoyable to learn. With our bite-sized video tutorials, you'll master Excel skills in no time. Let's jump right into Flash Fill, one of my favorite time-saving tools in Excel. First things first, Flash Fill is only available in Excel 2013 and newer versions. So double-check your version to ensure you have access to this feature. If you're ready to go, let's see what Flash Fill can do. Let's look at using Flash Fill to combine first and last names. Imagine you have two columns, one with first names and another with surnames. Your goal is to combine them into a single column of full names. Easy, right? Here's how Flash Fill makes it effortless. Type the desired format in the first target cell. For example, type Tommy Smith in the cell where you want the combined name to appear. Press Enter to move to the next row. Now click back on the first cell and drag its bottom right corner, the small square handle, down through the other rows. A small icon will pop up at the bottom of the highlighted cells. Click it and select Flash Fill. And voila! Excel instantly recognizes the pattern and fills in the rest of the rows. All the first names and surnames are neatly combined. No manual work, no fuss. Understanding Flash Fill's limitations. Before we move on, there's an important thing to keep in mind. Flash Fill is not dynamic. This means the results it generates won't update if you change the original data later. Let's say you go back and change Tommy to John. The combined name will still say Tommy Smith. If you need a dynamic solution that updates automatically, we've got you covered. Check out our tutorial on how to concatenate in Excel. You'll find the link in the description below. It's another great way to manage and merge data dynamically. Shortcut alert. Want to save even more time? Forget about clicking buttons. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E to activate Flash Fill instantly. Let's try it out with a slightly different example. Suppose you want the name format to display the first initial and the full surname, like T. Smith. Type the desired format in the first target cell, just like before. Press Enter to move down a row. Then simply hit Ctrl+E and watch Excel do the magic. All the rows are filled in instantly, using the format you specified. How easy is that? If you prefer using the ribbon, don't worry. Say you want to extract only the initials from both the first and last names in your table. Here's what to do. In the first cell of the target column, type the initials as you want them to appear. Press Enter to move to the next row. Go to the ribbon, open the Fill menu, and select Flash Fill. Excel will instantly fill in the rest of the column with initials for every name in your table. It's that simple. Now, what happens when Flash Fill doesn't work as expected? Don't worry, it's an easy fix. Let's look at a common scenario. Say you want to extract the last digit from each employee ID. You type 1 into the first target cell, press Enter, and then use Ctrl+E. But instead of the last digit, Excel fills every row with the same number, 1. What's going on? Flash Fill misunderstood your pattern. It assumed all rows should have the same value because you only provided one example. The solution? Provide more examples to make your pattern clear. Here's how. Delete the incorrect results. In the first row, type the last digit of the ID, e.g., 1. In the second row, type the next last digit, e.g., 2. Press Ctrl+E again. This time, Excel gets it. the last digits are extracted correctly for all rows. The possibilities with flash fill are endless. Whether you're cleaning up data, reformatting dates, or generating usernames, flash fill is your go-to tool for saving time and effort. For example, need to separate names into 2 columns? Flash fill can do that. Want to standardize phone numbers or email addresses? Flash fill can handle that too. Even complicated text manipulations, like extracting data from a string, are a breeze with flash fill. Flash fill is truly one of the easiest ways to speed up your Excel workflow. But remember, the key to getting the best results is to provide clear examples. If something doesn't work as expected, don't be afraid to try again with a bit more input. So what do you think? Can flash fill become your new favorite Excel feature? If you found this tutorial helpful, let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And we'd love to hear how you use flash fill in your own work. Drop your ideas in the comments section below. Want to learn more Excel tricks? Check out our other tutorials on Sheet Leveler. You'll find all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials. See you next time.